Want to create a killer 60-second LinkedIn video that converts? Well, here's how you do it. 60-second killer LinkedIn videos are one of the type of videos that I love to help my clients create because it helps them get out of their comfort zone. It helps them to deliver information that they're not going to second guess. And by the end of the day, they have quality videos where they feel confident and comfortable that they have delivered the content that they want to their audience. Step one, you have to know your audience. You are creating video for that specific person, not everybody and their mama. So you need to make sure that your messaging and the topic is on point. What do they want to know? What are their pain points? Where do they want to be in 3, 6, 9 months to a year? That's the content you need to be creating for them and no one else. Step two is to make sure that you have a killer hook. Script the first 3 to 7 seconds. This draws them in fast. And you don't want them to scroll away. So you want to make sure that your hook is good and it keeps them engaged and wanting to know more about what you're going to be talking about on your video. And just a reminder, your name, unless it's really, really unique, is not a good hook. Next step, use natural lighting or a ring light. Listen, we are not running through the woods with you as if we are on the Blair Witch Project. So you need to make sure that your lighting is on point. Whether it's natural or whether it's a ring light, people want to see you. And we're not trying to watch a dark video like it was one of those episodes of Game of Thrones that we were looking like this trying to see. Nobody wants to watch that. And another thing, make sure that you have a camera stand, whether it's a selfie stick or one that stands point. Listen, we are also not on Noah's Ark. Don't make us seasick. We don't want to upset stomach. Use a camera stand. The next step is to make sure that you have a call to action. What do you want these folks to do? Do you want that person to send you a DM? Do you want them to click a link or to book a call with you or to go to a website? Do you want them to comment? Make sure you tell them what you want them to do at the end of your video. So that way they're not just sitting there saying, hey, that was a great video. And then they scroll away onto the next, forgetting about whatever it was that you talked about and not looking for the next step to work with you. And the final step is to remember that we are not looking for perfection. We are in the business of creating quality videos that build your audience, position you as the thought leader or expert in your field, and which leads to you getting clients. You cannot do that if you are looking for perfect. Remember, done is better than perfect. And done equals quality videos. So instead of striving for perfect videos, make sure that you are striving for quality videos that does exactly what you want them to do. Now, if you're a video visibility agency client, we work together to do that.